I felt bad when I saw people taking down this big tree, which is having a lot of very old Vanda orchid. It's a sort of air plant. In this video, I will also reveal the best soil to grow them faster. Vanda orchids are easy to grow at home garden. Here are some pillars to be followed to grow and care. These orchid plants are really healthy and flowering as well. There are a lot of baby orchid also. I just took couple of them at my garden. Vanda orchids are very much hardy and can live without water for a long time. I put them into an orchid plant jar with my special mixed media. For the potting and growing media, Vanda orchids grow best when grown in well-draining medias such as fern fiber, coarse fir bark, or like coco peat with a little bit of regular soil. That would be really good to grow faster with a nice drainage system. I'm not feeling much well, guys. I think you can guess from my voice. I'm having a sore throat, so I'm a little bit worried about that. Please pray for me, and thank you so much for watching these videos. Please make sure you subscribe this YouTube channel. See you next weekend.